going on, internets? Today we are going to do a review on this Chicago electric welding cabinet. I was contemplating building something for my new MIG welder, but honestly I don't have the time to do it, and it just so happened that I had a coupon for this thing. It was $140, I believe. I went and looked at it at the store, and it seemed pretty well built for the most part. Kinda can't stand that it says Chicago Electric Welding on the side. But you know, maybe we'll toss some stickers on it or something at some point. But anyways, I'm going to unbox it, and we're going to put it together to see what it is like. So I'm going to cut the thing open here. Alright. £286 capacity. So caster wheels, blah blah blah. Put those on first, then the housing. Pretty goofy instructions. They're not the best, but not terrible. Alright, here's what we're looking for. So here's all of our junk. This should have the casters and everything in there, so. Smells like China. You like China? Well, you can't bite it. So, I mean, what? You can't have this. You know, typical Harbor Freight quality. It's, you know, I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. They're solid rubber. I mean, geez, quite a bit of slop from the factory, but hey. Here's the front casters. You like it, casters? Not terrible, but not. What? What? You want to dance? Okay, I know you're a baby. They have like a little lock that so you can lock the wheels. I mean, you know, if the casters last for a couple of years or whatever, you know, depending how much you move the thing around, maybe you'll have to replace them in the future. You can always put better ones on. They're not too terrible. This looks like this is going to go on something like this, and then a chain wraps around it for the gas bottle. And then here's the dividers for the drawers. You can put your tips and stuff. Oh, these are probably go on the side for hanging your cables. So, okay, I guess we'll just start knocking it out. Hopefully I got the right tools. It looks like everything is like a self-tapping Phillips. Okay, so that took what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Not too bad. Yeah, it's not, I mean, for the price, there was a cheaper one on Amazon, and I think it was like $80, but it didn't have these drawers, and I kind of like the drawers. They're soft close. You can feel like a detent. I don't know how wonderful this is, but you know, just to divide some stuff, it's not bad. The drawers are surprisingly good. I mean, looks like this corner got stoved in a little bit. Here, bud, hold this. We'll bend that back a little bit. That's what I like about Harbor Freight stuff. You can just mangle it back into position.
Okay.
Hold on. So let me try to get it out to my shop, and we'll put the welder on it and see what it looks like then. Okay, so let's get the old welder. Not too bad, not too bad. Does a Power Mig 210 fit on it? Yeah, barely. I mean, you could probably mangle this a little bit to get it to fit a little bit better, or you could just modify this handle here, which is what I might do. I don't like how the ground is right there. So
You can turn it around.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might make a different handle. I mean, it's not really hurting anything. It's, you know, it's just resting on it. It's not putting any. It's not forcing the welder up.
Maybe you
it's
could do
on
some
there.
handle like this.
So.
And then you could leave it like that.
Let me just wrap this up.
Dad,
Yeah, I mean
Where are you gonna put the gun?
it's pretty nice.
Where are you gonna put it?
Not too bad. Yeah, that's not good. Wow. All right, let me see if we can move it over.
Tiny bit. That doesn't help a lot.
Yeah. Well, let's put this back on. That cord is just ridiculous. Okay. I don't know. It's not bad. You know, still rolls good. I don't like how it's not centered, but I guess that's just the obsessive compulsive in me. I like that it has plenty of room for everything, so that's good. This you could still have access to everything here, so that's good. Yeah, I mean it's not bad for the price. I think it's not bad. You know, you gotta be careful with your cables being in the way if you want to get access to stuff. You know, we'll get some Lincoln Electric stickers to throw over there. Yeah, it's not bad. I would give this out of 10. You know, the construction, it went together pretty good. I mean, it's, you know, it's Harbor Freight, so the quality is not, you know, some of their stuff is not bad, some of their stuff is downright horrible. Obviously, I would never use their hand tools. you know, maybe just for like cutting MIG wire or something like that. But I don't recommend their hand tools unless you just need them to like throw in the back seat of a truck or something. You're only going to use them like once a year. But this is not bad. You know, for 140 bucks when it's on sale, I'd give this thing a 7 out of 10, I'd say. If it was a little bit longer, they have like a giant cart that's like 300 bucks, but that's, I mean, that's for like 2 or 3 welders or a MIG welder and a plasma cutter you could put on there. It's got room for like extra bottles and stuff. So that was for your hobbyist, you know, or a guy like me that's, you know, I don't do a lot of welding, so I think this will fit the bill. I like how I can put everything in one spot, like my helmet. Oh, let's see if my helmet fits in there. All right, so here's my helmet. You know, nothing special. Let's see if that fits in here, and it does, so that's cool. I like that. You know, like gloves and stuff. You know, it's nice to have everything in one spot. So gloves fit good in there. Let's see, I got. Here's a spool of wire. You know, whatever this is. I don't know, 12 pounds. So here's a 12.5 pound spool. Let's see if. There you go. Yeah, I mean the drawers slide good, so they're not bad. So all, you know, this little junk, you know, you could put in the top here. You know, get some extra tips or whatever. So it looks like we'll have to put the other spool there. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, functionality, it gets a 10. You could fit extra helmets in there. I have another couple. I have. You could get 2 helmets in there, definitely. I think, but I could put another helmet in there. I like how you got this deep one for gloves and stuff. That's nice. And then, you know, you could fit some spools of wire in there, and then your miscellaneous tips and stuff like that can go in there. I need to get a pair of MIG pliers. That would go in one of these. So yeah, I mean, functionality 10 out of 10. That's great. I give it a check for sure on that. So yeah, I think for the price, build quality 7 out of 10, not bad. Would be nice if it was a little bit longer, a little bit wider, but you know, they might have made this for their new MIG welder that competes with this. I can't think of the name of it right now. It's orange in color. I mean, I checked it out. The controls are not as good as a Lincoln. I mean, obviously I haven't welded with it, but it was 800 bucks, I think. So, you know, honestly, for a couple $100 more, get a Lincoln. It's probably better. So, depends. I mean, depends on what you want to do with your money. So, yeah, here's the cart. It's not too bad. We'll give you a little fly around here again. So, say bye.
Bye.
Okay. So, yeah, there it is. I'd say build 7 out of 10, you know, for quality. Functionality 10 out of 10, definitely. I like it as far as storing all my stuff. Not thrilled that it's not centered, but you know, what are you going to do? I might be able to push it forward more, and that might give me enough to do, or you know, maybe I can get a different plug, maybe angled plug. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like how there's more room for the vents here to kick out, so that's good. I probably could even move the bottle back some and just maybe make something that will hold the bottle better down there. So I feel like you can modify stuff. You know, it's like when you're cooking something, you can, you know, doctor up the recipe or whatever. So yeah, not bad. I would recommend it for if you can get it on sale for 140 bucks. I don't know if it ever go on sale for like $99. This thing's a total steal for a $100 bill, I think. So not too bad. We'll get some stickers to cover up the Chicago Electric Welding, and it'd be good as new. So, all right. Well, I appreciate. I picked up a couple extra subscribers over the past couple of months. I appreciate that. and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. This is an honest review. Obviously, I paid for this with my own hard-earned cash. Appreciate my son helping me out, helping me install it or put it together. So, yeah, thanks for watching.